I do not know. My name's Eliza Day.
On the first day I saw her, I knew she was the one. She stared in my eyes and smiled, for her lips were the color of the roses that grew down the river, oh bloody and wild.
When he knocked on my door and entered the room, my trembling subsided with his sure embrace. He would be my first man, and with a careful hand he wiped up the tears that ran down my face. They call me the wild rose. My name's Eliza Day. Why they call me it I do not know. My name's Eliza Day.
On the second day I brought her a flower. She was more beautiful than any woman I had seen. I said, do you know where the wild roses grow, so sweet and scarlet and free?
On the second day he came with a single red rose. Give me your loss and sorrow.
I nodded my head
as I lay on the bed. If I show you the roses, you follow. They call me the wild rose. My name's Eliza Day. When they call me it, I do not know. My name's Eliza Day. On the third day he took me to the river. He showed me the roses and we kissed. And the last thing I heard was a muttered word as he knelt above me with a rock in his fist.
On the last day I took her where the wild roses grow. She lay on the bank, the wind light as a thief, and I kissed her goodbye. Said, oh, beauty must die. And I knelt down